Hello everyone, how's it going? This is your man TJ Singh right here. So guys, in this video I will be doing the quick unboxing of the GoPro carry bag, and I will be giving you the overview as well. So guys, I have bought this from Amazon India, and I don't remember the name of the company from which this carry bag is, and this is a small carry bag for GoPro. It's for those persons who doesn't carry that much of accessories of GoPro, so it is a minimalistic kind of baggage for the GoPros. And I will be giving you guys the link in the description down below if you want to buy this product from Amazon India for yourself. And this is the bill, and this is how it came in. So let me open this up. So this is our GoPro carry bag. It had a couple of good reviews as well on the website, so that's why I have bought this one, and it was a lot cheaper as compared to others. So guys, this is our bag for the GoPro Heroes, and overall, by the touch of it and the feel, it's giving a good feel, and the build quality is kind of good of this bag, and the zipper is also good. So this is how the cutting is, in which you can keep your stuff, and this is your net. You can keep a little bit of accessories in the back as well. So this is just a minimum carry bag for the GoPros. So this is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. You can easily put your GoPro right here like this, and in these compartments you can keep your extra batteries, mounts, couple of memory cards, and so guys, in the upper side you can also keep a lot of small accessories, not hell a lot of accessories, but a little bit of accessories. Like I have kept my GoPro Shorty right here, you can see. So again guys, it is pretty much good as far as it seems, but in the long run I really don't know how it will last. But as of now, it's pretty much sturdy, and it's definitely worth the money that I've spent for this carry bag. And this is pretty much it for this unboxing and hands-on review for this GoPro carry bag. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will be catching you in the very next one guys. Till then, take care.